So it's been approximately 90 days since I've owned my 2004 Subaru WRX wagon, and in today's video I'm going to let you guys know what I think about it. So I'll give you guys a brief walk around of my wagon. Here she is in all her glory. She's very old, but she is in one piece, and that's the thing. These cars are pretty hard to find sorted. This car definitely had its own little problems, but yeah, most of these cars, they are like mismatched colors, missing panels, modified. Yeah, no, I mean this car it's been great. It's been like kind of tricky because it's a Subaru, and as you guys know, these have like the weird drivetrains in with the flat fours, but I've been learning a lot on this car, and there are some things that are really easy, some things that are not, but it's been, for the most part, it's been really good. Also, if you guys didn't notice, we got a new GoPro finally. Since I started my channel 6 years ago, right, I have had the same GoPro, and it finally decided to break, so I was forced to upgrade, or I would have kept using the original GoPro. So it was super bittersweet having to let the camera go. I kind of didn't want to. I kind of just wanted to put money into it to get it fixed, but I mean, this is for the best, and we got a brand new GoPro for the channel, so let me know down in the comment section, what do you guys think of the quality? But yeah, here's the inside of the car. As you guys can see, it's super clean. I mean, it's actually kind of dirty, but the physical car is like in good shape. It's got full interior. That's one of the things these cars lack, but we're gonna get into it. I'm way ahead of myself. All right, up. In typical Subaru fashion, my car just threw a check engine light. Bruh. I'm gonna explain what that is. That's kind of hilarious. As soon as I start recording, a check engine light pops up. So we're gonna get into it. But yeah, guys, like I said, here is my 04 Subaru WRX wagon. And yeah, no, for the most part, it's been great. I wouldn't say bulletproof reliable. It's not a Toyota, but I feel like these cars have a bad rep. Yeah, like I said, for the most part, this car is pretty okay with reliability. Ever since I bought this car, I've been having to do like maintenance stuff. Just because the car, its age, it has wear and tear, but these cars are super inexpensive to own. And yeah, if you just watch a few videos online and stuff, this car is actually pretty easy to work on. But with that said, it is an older car. It's like 20 years old now, so you're gonna have to be replacing things like clutch, bushings, suspension. That just comes with the territory. The car, as far as performance, obviously I can't do anything right now because there's a friggin' check engine light glowing, but I mean, is it fast? No. Is it slow? Kind of, but like in a good way. Nothing to see here, sir. Just going on a chill drive. It's super clean on the inside too as well. Everything works minus the cruise control. That does not work, but I mean, hey, you know, it's a wagon, that's enough. But it does, you know, you can get away with stuff like, you know, just off-roading, because nothing can stop Subaru's incredible all-wheel drive system. Not even Audi's Quattro. That's subjective, but yeah, guys, this thing for a wagon, it handles insane. It feels so light and nimble on its toes. Obviously, it's not a Miata, it's not an S2000, but for a wagon, usually these cars are super heavy, and they're more like oriented towards just being good daily drivers and commuters. But that's kind of what separates Subaru from all the other competitors, especially early on. I mean, what's not to love? You have Subaru's legendary all-wheel drive system. It is a turbo flat 4. It is a stick, which is super cool. Back in the old days, I feel like wagons were more tailored to enthusiasts, and I feel like nowadays, yes, you still have high performance wagons like, you know, RS6 Avants and C63 wagons and all that good stuff, but I feel like those are just more for straight line speed and driving, long distance kind of commuting, versus these were more like analog, and I feel like this was really a sweet spot for Subaru and wagons in general. So let's pop the hood. We'll briefly talk about the mods to this car. Not that there's a whole bunch, but I'll just say off the bat, I have a Borla exhaust, and it's like a custom exhaust, but it's pretty crappy. No disrespect to Borla, I just would go another route. But yeah, I mean, pretty much everything's relatively stock. Don't mind this. This is what our check engine light is right there. You see that? You see how I'm able to stick my finger through this intake elbow? That's not good, but don't worry, I will be addressing this. I ordered a new piece. This piece was like $100, so leave a like on today's video because your boy's wallet is hurting. But yeah, like, I took off the aftermarket intake the car came with. I put a factory one. It has this air recirculator. It's like a Grimspeed, okay, whatever. The car has an STI intercooler, so that helps with cooling. It's more like an OEM plus upgrade, if you will, not really aftermarket. These did come on the STIs. There was an STI turbo on this car, but the car was not running correctly when I bought it, so I put a factory Subaru WRX turbo on it, brand new. This was that strut tower bracing I was talking about, so this helps the car handle a little bit better. But I mean, besides that, it does need a little bit of love cosmetically. There's like little things, like it's starting to get faded on the fenders, the paint, and the headlights. I hate these, they're aftermarket. So there's some things I want to change, but all in all, the car's been great. So let's go to the back. I'm going to show you guys a selling point of this car, the hatch. It is great. No, this is not a hatchback. It's a wagon. Comes with this factory like shade visor. It's supposed to cover your groceries. Dude, there's so much room for activities back here. The seats fold down as well, so like, guys, it is like on level 10. If you're a dad but you still want to be cool, you know, you don't drive the SUV, you get the wagon. So yeah, guys, that's what I've been experiencing for the past 3 months, just day-to-day daily driving my wagon. It's been absolutely great. Obviously it's old, so you're gonna have to go in and replace stuff and do some maintenance stuff, but as long as you can keep up with the maintenance, it is so rewarding and it is so great. To be honest, guys, ending the video off with one last thing, I was gonna end up selling this car and getting into something else, but just throughout owning this car a little bit more, I've been slowly falling in love with it, just because it's kind of a do-it-all car. It's like you can be an enthusiast, but it's easy to work on and it gets the job done every single time, and it excels. Just with the all-wheel drive system, with the hatchback, it is absolutely great. And I mean, come on, guys, it is a looker. It doesn't look like anything else on the road, and that's what makes this thing so special. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.